they're often coming back into our community with protracted healthcare issues. And this leads to, one, potentially the spread of communicable disease in community. It leads to excessive use of emergency departments because people aren't connecting to family doctors or they don't have family physicians. Longer wait times for people that are visiting emergency departments. You can listen to the full conversation on the Sacred Audio app or wherever you get your podcasts. And Honda Indy weekend is here. Race day is tomorrow. The Indy is a big event for car lovers, but you might not want to bring your own. The lakeshore will be closed down completely from BC Road to Strawn until Monday morning. There will also be a number of detours for TTC buses. The big race goes just before 12:30 tomorrow afternoon. Coming up in 30 seconds, a look at your gas prices and cottage country traffic. 680 News Time, 12:38.
Life's noisy enough. Everything demands your attention. So here's something rare. Silence. It's underappreciated. Kind of like windows from Magic. We manufacture our windows with noise-reducing glass and airtight seals to keep the commotion out. While others add to the noise, Magic cuts right through it. Find out more at magicwindow.ca.
Now the gas price update. Empro predicts the price will not change at midnight, holding at $1.35.9 a liter at most GTA stations. 680 News Time, 12:39. Time for cross country traffic on the 9s with Colette Desjardins. Thanks, and this report is brought to you by the Simple Investor. Right now, if you're heading north on the 400, we have delays Aurora Side Road up to approaching Highway 88, and then Innisfil Beach Road to north of ESSA. If you want to take Highway 27, it was just slow from King Vaughan Road to King Road in Nobleton. Northbound Highway 12, that was a really slow go north of County Road 48 in Cambridge up to the Brecon area. Eastbound 401, we had delays westbound to east of Salem, and then the 412 to east of Brock Street. And if you're on the eastbound 407, the ramps to north and southbound 400, they remain closed for construction until tomorrow. Fort Erie bound on the QEW is slow approaching North Shore, actually from the 403 ramp to the Burlington Skyway Bridge, and then from Nikola Tesla to Casablanca. With cottage country traffic on the 9s, I'm Colette Desjardins.
Is now a good time to buy investment real estate? Yes.